In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Peak Page Previews. If you've ever used Notion, you know it's a powerful tool for organizing and managing information, but sometimes navigating between pages and databases can be a bit challenging. To enhance your workflow, the Peak Page Preview feature offers a convenient way to view your content without completely leaving your current workspace. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this feature. First, let's talk about the different types of peek views that Notion offers for opening database pages. These include side peek, center peek, and full page. Each option provides a unique way to interact with your information depending on your needs and preferences. The side peek opens the page in a panel on the right side of your screen. This mode allows you to quickly glance at page details while still maintaining visibility of your main database. It's particularly useful when you need to cross-reference or take quick notes without losing sight of where you were working. Next, we have the center peek. This option opens the page in a centered modal window. Unlike the side peek, which stays attached to the side, the center peek brings the page to the forefront of your attention. It's ideal for when you need to focus on a specific page, but still want to easily swing back to your original list or database view. Finally, there is the full page option. In this mode, the selected page takes over your entire workspace as a normal, full-screen page. It's the best choice when you need to immerse yourself completely in the content at hand, such as when you're doing detailed work or need a distraction-free environment. Now, you might be wondering how to switch between these different views in Notion. It's quite simple. Look for the page controls located in the upper left corner of the screen. These controls enable you to easily toggle between side peek, center peek, or full page views. It only takes a click or two, giving you the flexibility to choose the best view for your current task dynamically. One of the great benefits of using the peek views is that they allow you to continue working without losing your place in the database. Unlike opening pages in separate tabs or windows, peeking ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted. It's an efficient way to enhance your productivity, allowing you to access important details or make necessary adjustments without the need to constantly navigate back and forth. In summary, Notion's Peak Page Preview feature is a handy tool that can streamline your workflow significantly. By understanding and utilizing the side peek, center peek, and full page options, you can easily view and manage your content in a way that best suits your needs. So next time you're working in Notion, consider incorporating these peek views into your routine for a more seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope these insights make your Notion use more efficient and enjoyable.